Hi guys, welcome to another video by School of RPA. And today we will discuss who is an RP developer and how you can become an RPA developer. I am Abhinav Sabharwal, Principal Consultant and Trainer at School of RPA. In this video, we will talk about who is an RP developer, what are the desirable skills for RP developers, what are the roles and responsibilities of RP developer, how you can become an RP developer, how can you get certified in RP technology, and what is the future of RP. Generally speaking, an RP developer is someone who works cross-functionally with business operations and business analysts to create an optimized workflow of processes. However, this is a relatively new career path, and many organizations' formal titles for RP developers differ. Other similar positions may use titles like process designer or automation architect. No matter the title, the role of a successful RP developer requires specific skills and best practices like documentation and planning. In order to automate business processes, an RP developer will be required to create workflow diagrams and strategically document the process prior to the implementation. As an RP developer may also be responsible for testing or bug fixes. So coding skills are important as well. In order to be successful in the role of RP developer, you must have the ability to navigate various appropriate technologies such as UiPath or Blue Prism. We will go to we will go over how to get certified in these tools later on this video. While the responsibilities of RP developer may vary, someone in this role is typically in charge of designing and managing the workflow of automation projects. You may also be responsible for testing or bug fixes. So coding skills are important and so are testing skills. And in order to successfully navigate the role of RP developer, you must have the ability to use various tools like UiPath or Automation Anywhere. Now, what are the desirable skills for RP developers? To know what an RP developer is and what their duties look like, it is time to investigate which skills are essential for success in this domain. A few of the most important skills are outlined below. Now, first is strategic planning. Planning is imperative for success in this role. Setting design goals or initiatives for your RP project and mapping out workflow will allow for an easier implementation. Strong analytical skills are very important as well. You will be able to analyze, or you should be able to analyze a process and provide improvement recommendations. As a key benefit of adopting RPA, this is the ability to improve workflow, and therefore, as an RP developer, you are responsible for maintaining the technology that does just that, improve workflows. Now, guys, here I will just like to add one more thing that if you are a tester or a .NET developer, then RP developer is a very, very good career path for you. Third, problem solving skill. Automation does not always go smoothly the first time around. Mistakes happen and bugs will pop up. As we have already mentioned, you may be responsible for testing and bug fixes. And the ability to debug a robot will come in handy, saving you time and stress as you handle any crisis that comes along. Understanding of programming languages. Now, it is critical that you have some prior experience, or at least even if you have done some kind of programming in college, like on Java or C++, that is also sufficient. But you must have some kind of a prior programming language experience in C, C++, Java, Python to become a RP developer. Now, let us look at the roles and responsibilities of an RP developer. RP developer helps in planning, creating, and implementing RP systems utilizing tools like Blue Prism, UiPath, or Automation Engineer. Likewise, they help in setting up and analyzing automated business tasks. Some of the significant roles and responsibilities of RPA developers are as follows. First, planning automation based on operational requirements of an organization. Second, utilizing any RPA tool to code and settle issues identified with the automation. Third, check on the plan and code for the automation. Fourth, giving gained experience during the system development and integration. And fifth, arranging automation utilizing RPA tools and documenting the whole cycle of automation. How do you get certified as an RP developer? Or how do you get a foothold in this field? So RPA courses from School of RPA are a great way to sharpen your skills. If you consider yourself more of an RPA beginner, we have courses for you too. We also have courses for people who wish to become RPA functional consultants. So if you're not a technical person but still want to go into the RPA field, because there's a lot of growth in RPA field, you can become an RPA business analyst or RPA project manager or RPA function consultant, and we have courses in these categories as well. Introduction to RPA gives a learner an overview of RPA concept, RPA tools and workflows used in intelligent automation, and the steps for implementing RPA in different segments of the enterprise. These courses are sure way to help you get started on your journey to become an RPA developer. Watch till the end of this video to know more about our RPA courses and certification process. Now, what is the future of RPA? Robotic process automation isn't going to go away. In fact, by 2021, the RPA market will reach $2.9 billion. Industries such as healthcare, manufacturing, and retail are adopting RPA to automate tasks such as credit processing, inventory management, and invoice generation. RPA is continuing to advance and improve the process of those who properly employ it. And that isn't going to slow down anytime soon. In fact, the better the RPA gets, the more companies and organizations will eagerly adopt it, creating the need for even more RPA professionals. So what does that mean for the IT workforce? Increasing in hiring, specifically with the RPA skills, is going to come in 2021. A career in RPA also comes with an attractive salary. According to Indeed.com, the average salary of RPA developer ranges from 9 lakh rupees to 14 lakh rupees. And because this is still a fairly new industry, strong RPA skills are hard to find and highly valued. For those of you who have experience, or at least have 3 to 4 years of experience, you can do any one of these technical RPA courses. If you are not a technical person, but still want to learn RPA, you can become an RPA business analyst. If you are a fresher and looking for a job, we recommend our business analyst training, which fetches a salary of 3.5 lakhs. So, call us today on 900-480-9189 and ask us how you too can earn amount of money in IT industry. Thank you.